Good morning, Madison Lion Cubs. This is Mr. DSK, and I'm here on this marvelous Monday, April 27th morning to share with you what's happening at Madison this week. But before I do so, I would like you to join me in saying Madison Lion Cubs are always respectful, always responsible, and always really, really safe. So I know, and you know, that we're all going to have a great day and a great week. But before we get started on that great day and great week, I do have some announcements for you. First one is that I hope you really enjoyed the Zaniac Assembly on Friday. I certainly did, and from the looks of things, you did too. So I'd like to thank Ms. McCowan for finding and arranging that assembly for us, and also for everyone who took part in the penny drive that helps support our assemblies here at Madison. I have the announcement for the winner of the Mad Dash t-shirt design contest. And it goes to, drum roll please, Eunice in Miss Martin's class. The votes were close, I am told, but Eunice's design sealed the deal. So congratulations, Eunice. I'd like to remind everyone that registration for the Mad Dash 5K run is open. And if you register by May 1st, you will get a t-shirt that includes Eunice's design. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, I know. There are class photos on May 7th. Flyers have gone home and a communication has gone home via email. So be sure to check backpacks and email inboxes about class photo day and payment. I have a little announcement about the ADA door buttons that we have in the vestibule. A lot of students and some adults are using that button unnecessarily. What that means is that the button is designed for people with disabilities or in wheelchairs to use because they may not be able to open the door. So I ask that students and staff, when walking through the vestibule, not to use the ADA button to open the door, but instead just to use the door regularly. What that will do is it will save wear and tear on the button, so when somebody really needs to use it, the button is working correctly. Don't forget to vote for Madison as Best Elementary of South Sound. Voting is open, and you may vote every day now through May 8th. So thank you for your vote. Families, if you haven't seen the promotional video on Facebook, or that was included in an email link, please check that out. And also, if you happen to have your own social media page, if you could post a link to that promotional video, I would very much appreciate it, and so would the rest of our Lion Cubs here. On Friday, we have a shelter-in-place drill. Shelter-in-place is where we all go to the gym and we line up in assembly style, and everyone is counted to make sure that they are there. We use shelter-in-place in a situation where, for example, there is lots of smoke outside, maybe due to a fire. The fire isn't the danger. What it is, we are concerned about the smoke. So we all go to the gym and we do a student head count, which means that we count every student that's in there, and we close all the doors and keep everyone safe until that particular event is over. And again, it's a drill, so we will be practicing, and it shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Also on Friday, after the shelter in place in the afternoon, we will return to the gym for another assembly. This time it's Samba OlyWA. And you remember they were here last year, and it was a really entertaining assembly. They were up on the stage dancing, and they have come back. So thank you, Samba OlyWA, for coming back, and I'm looking forward to that assembly as much as I know our students are as well. Well, that's it from me. See you out and about. Bye.